Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautiful house for sale. It was built in 2014. It consists of 6 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms. It is nestled in the sought after Ironshore community of Montego Bay on Torado Drive. The land area of this house is 0.41 acres. This two-story family home boasts 6 bedrooms with an ensuite bathroom, providing ample accommodation with spacious living rooms, dining areas, and well-appointed kitchens in each section. It's designed for both comfort and entertainment. There is also a garage that can hold up to 3 cars, backup water storage, and water heater, spacious laundry room, and so much more. The property affords a spectacular ocean view, enhancing its allure. Centrally located, it provides convenient access to modern amenities, including shopping, dining, schools, and recreational facilities. Each section of the house encompasses around 5,100 square feet of living space, allowing for versatile interior design options and ensuring a spacious feel throughout. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 750,000 or Jamaican $115.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.